He's killing it.
Yeah, what it do, it is what it should be, yo. Check it out, man. We're gonna go ahead and change the latches now on my bags. Let me go take it off. Yeah, oh, you see? Oh. Yeah, that's my road king. She next. But this is the main event right here. As you see, she back together. See my other video, see what's going on with this bad boy. But yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Baby, baby. I'm ready to hit the road. My clutch hand feels better. Probably a day or two. But I'm about ready. I think I'm gonna go today just to take a little spin. But yeah, okay. Check out the other video for the bezel. I put that on myself. Wired it up and everything. I did the headlights. All that. Check out them videos. I did the stereo with the homie. Check that one out. We upgraded the stereo, some speakers. The bag's coming next. Ooh, what is all that? Ooh, what's all this shiny stuff? What's that right there? Oh, who did all that? Check out the videos, baby. Still braided lines. Yeah, who did that? Oh. But yeah, what we doing today is if I can get over this. Just a quick peek at my road king. She coming. She next. I got her seat. I got a seat just like that one from Vidal. It's just down. This one got the suede. The other one don't, but it's the exact same seat. But yeah, what we doing today, yo? We're gonna do these latches. Check out them other videos to see what happened to me. But I see how they're all scratched up. I was gonna leave them for a minute, but I do have these. That's the wrong one. See, I do have these already, so I'm going to go ahead and just replace it. I might reuse this strip here. But the kit does come with a blacked out kit. So see, I don't know. So look at my baby over there. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at a little cat. Let me give you a little cat look, man, for y'all East Coasters. Yeah, man, we out here. There go Big Karen out there. Where Big Karen at? There go Big Karen. There goes my B. My boo. Yeah, man. It's another beautiful day out here. Another beautiful day. That's right. Yeah. That's my 71 pickups coming. Alice swap. I got the engine, transmission, harness. I got everything. I gotta finish on these bad boys here. And then yeah, you know, we got the toys. Kids don't even pay no attention to these no more. They don't dance no more. All they do is this. All they do is this. But yeah, man, let's get back to it, man. I get distracted. Woo. Yeah, I got that flipper on there. Yeah. Yo, so yeah, man, back to it. Alright. First things first, on here, you see that little dot? Right there. That little dot looks like there's something there, so I'm going to pry this bad boy off. Bam. And it's nothing, I guess. From the look of it. Okay. So this is going to be these two. And then we'll take it from there. Holla.
He's killing it.
Yeah, so basically all you're gonna need. Let's see if we can focus on this bad boy. What was that, a T25? What's this bad boy? And T15. It's a T15, yo. Along with that's a 9. With a 9. So the 9 is her right gear. You see the other two little bam, and then it is the lock. The lock has 2 bolts, and that bad boy goes right there. Once you take off the lock, take out that nut and these 2 here, that will come right off. That's what we're about to do now. As you can see, it's already loose. Can y'all see? Yeah, you can see. That's the 2 in the back I just showed. That's where the lock goes. That one, I gotta figure that out. You can see she already loose. And sticking that bad boy on, it should pop right out. Now, the only dizzle is this new one doesn't have that. So, yeah, it don't have that, yo. I wonder if I just don't need it. As you can see, top hose, the lock, the top one, no bottom. So we're just gonna install it no bottom. Hey, that's a long time I seen that, made in the USA. Most of the time I take these stuff off, watch some other videos, you see what name is on them. But yeah, the exact same thing except for that little dizzle. But I think it should be enough. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on. That's the way it looks with it off. This is the only one that I'm missing. Everything else is gonna screw on good. So just to give it a little look. Bam. Bam, good as new. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that off real quick. We'll put it on the diesel.
He's killing it.
Alright, y'all. So I don't know if y'all just kind of noticed in the video. On my new one, this is the old one. It go right in, right? This is the lock. It goes on the other side. But yeah, so y'all can see. So as you see here, sits right in there. You lock it in. On the new one, it won't fit. So, well, at least this video you'll see how to take it off, how to put it on. But at the same notion, I don't know if you're gonna need new locks or not. But damn, I'll figure that out. So I'm just gonna put the old ones back on. And this might be it for the video. Hold on. As you can see the differences, it wasn't just a lock difference. Remember, this one had the little hizzo where this was supposed to go, the little lock thing. So yeah, man, that's some bullshit. See, it was open hole, then one had the diesel. But yeah, man, be careful when you buy these aftermarket ones. They look great, of course, but the OG ones, at least say Harley, they're a lot heavier, so it's a different type of steel. And yeah, that'll do it. We'll go ahead and put this other one back on. Damn it, yeah, I'm pissed as hell. But at least y'all get to see the video and you know, share, like, subscribe. Now you know what to look for when you go ahead and buy you some new latches. So yeah, holla at your boy. Shit, quicker than I thought video. Hope this video was at least enough that you want to make it want to slap your mama. Y'all just went ahead and put the bags back on. I'm pretty much ready to roll now. I was telling my clutch hand right now, and that motherfucker still ain't ready. That's 4 weeks, going on 5 weeks. But anyways, we back together. Oh yeah, little scratches. Oh well, let's gonna stick with it. Stick with it. Oh yeah. Well, that'll do it for the video, yo. I tried. Yeah, I said a little. Try to blend it in. But yeah, we're coming along, man. Subscribe, share, like. Go on and share the video. Someone else might find it useful. Yeah. So I just put back the regular ones back on, just the way I showed y'all, and that'll do her.